Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bypass CAPTCHA verification in Google Chrome. Firstly, you have to open Google Chrome, go to the search bar and type Google CAPTCHA verification demo. Go to the first website. As you can see, there is an option I am not a robot. You have to verify through this. Whenever we search something online, we usually see this, which is very much irritating and time consuming. As you can see, I have to verify through the pictures. Then I have to click on the verify. Now I am good to go. If you want to skip the process, please follow the instruction. Go to the new page, type Master Captcha Solver for humans. Go to the first website, which will be taking you to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome option. Click on the Add Extension option. The extension will be added to your Chrome profile. The job is done. Let's see if it works. We have to go to the previous page. Now click on the I am not a robot. As you can see, there is an option. Click on this and you have to wait for a few seconds and it's done. That's how you can skip these irritating steps. Thanks for watching.